Imagine offering to do your fans' math homework, then using that clout to build a pink-fueled influencer empire. That's Michelle Chin, the only person alive who can solve a quadratic equation while sculpting a giant gummy bear. Welcome to Gen Z education, where the grades are fake, the props are edible, and the net worth is very real. Michelle Chin, also known as Ms. Munchie, basically turned being quirky and good at math into a $1.5 million career. She launched her content game in 2019 and decided her brand would be school, but make it snackable. Her TikToks open with lines like "subscribe and I'll do your homework," which might be the most wholesome form of academic fraud we've ever seen. Her TikTok has 8.6 million followers, which means more people watch her solve algebra with candy than have ever opened a math textbook on purpose. Her average post gets 1.5 million views, and she drops about 2.6 videos a week, all posted at exactly 1 p.m. EST. Because nothing says chaos like clockwork. Michelle's aesthetic? If Barbie had a STEM scholarship and a ring light, it's neon colors, cartoon-level facial expressions, and props so large they could be OSHA violations. Sometimes it's a prank, sometimes it's a math joke, sometimes both. Her engagement rate is only 1.35%, but when you've got 115,000 people reacting to your video about solving PI with whipped cream, who's counting? Now let's talk platforms. Her YouTube channel has 3.3 million subscribers and the upload schedule of a lunar eclipse. She posts once a month, gets 250,000 views per video, and somehow still ranks in the global top 1%. It's kind of like if your fridge magnet had a better brand strategy than most corporations. Her Instagram is just as on-brand. 500,000 followers, 8% engagement rate, and a grid full of giant food, pastel chaos, and ZHC's face. Yep, her boyfriend is Zach Hossie, aka ZHC, the dude who turns phones into art and houses into brand deals. They got engaged in April 2025, which is probably the most romantic outcome of a clickbait prank video. She's also a math meme queen. Her audience? Teenagers who think PEMDAS is a type of pasta, and brands who'll pay real money to slap logos on a pastel volcano experiment. Michelle keeps it advertiser-friendly. No drama, no politics, just pure edible chaos. This has earned her a favicon influence score of over 9,000. Yes, literally over 9,000. In real life, Michelle is 5'5", 117 pounds, and probably immune to sugar by now. She went to UC Santa Cruz, majored in being chronically online, and somehow monetized being the human version of a Lisa Frank binder. Her net worth is estimated between $1.50 and $5 million, depending on whether you count her candy sculptures as assets. And just to be clear, she built all this on TikToks where she yells math facts while inhaling rainbow cereal. We used to bully kids for liking math. Now they run ad campaigns. So what's the takeaway? Apparently, the key to success in 2025 is being pink, punctual, and weirdly good at geometry. Michelle Chin didn't just make math cool, she made it profitable. Stay in school, kids, or don't. Just be good at TikTok.